Hey, this is Pastor Jason from Kingsway Church, and I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity that we have this July at Kingsway. On July 29th, we're going to be giving away my Harley Davidson motorcycle to help in the last efforts of our renovation work here at Kingsway. If you're interested in being a part of this giveaway, we're going to have tickets available in the Connect Cafe before and after each of our Sunday morning services for a recommended minimum donation of just $100. These tickets are going to be available from now all the way up until July 29th when we have our special drawing for the giveaway of my Harley Davidson motorcycle. It's going to be an amazing day for you, for our family, and for the families of Kingsway. We invite you to be a part, spread the word, and share this video with your friends.